Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make smothered chicken with Maque Choux Casserole. Okay, as a colorful garnish for our fried chicken and Maque Choux Casserole, we're going to add some parsley, and we're going to need to cut this up finely, and here's how we do it. Okay, so we just kind of want to bundle up the parsley a little bit here. This is just regular parsley. It's not Italian, the flat leaf or anything, although you could use that, but it has a little more flavor than I think you need for this. This is more for color and a garnish. So just go ahead and just run your knife right through it. Just like that, and then rebundle it. And just run your knife through it again. Because we want this to be, fairly finely chopped. So go ahead and again, just pile it all up just like that. And if you have a real sharp knife, it will just chop right through here really nicely.